Weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environment Canada in Capital National has issued a severe weather bulletin in the local broadcast area. A special weather statement for Quebec area, Levi's area, Montmagny area, Donnacona area, and Fort Wayne area has been issued by Environment Canada meteorologists in the Capital National region. According to meteorologists, rain on tap for Thursday and Friday. 40 to 60 millimeters of rain possible on Thursday and Friday. Water pooling is likely on roads and in low-lying areas. This rain could also increase the water level of some rivers. Please don't go into any water pools if you are in a vehicle for your safety.
This is Weather Radio Quebec, Station Quebec, Montpellier, on the frequency of 162.400 megahertz.